flooded in light. Fine print, they tell me what's wrong and what's right. And it comes in black and it comes in white, and I'm frightened by those who don't see it. Nothing is owed or deserved or expected, and your life doesn't change by the man that's elected. If you're loved by